Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the prime and composite numbers. Before that, first I am going to write here factors for 1 to 20 numbers. What are the factors for 1 to 20 numbers? Suppose I am taking 1. What are the factors for 1? 1 will come in what tables? 1 will come in only one table. Next, I am writing the factors for 2. 1, 2. 2 will come in one table and two tables. So, 2. 3. What are the factors for 3? 1, 3. Factors for 4. 1 table, 2 table, 4 table. 4 will come in one table, 2 table, 4 table. 5. 1 table, 5 table. 5 will come in one table, 5 table. 6. 1 table 6 will come, 2 table 6 will come, 3 table 6 will come, and again 6 table 6 will come. 7. 1 table and 7 table. 8. 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 8 table. Next 9. 1 table, 3 table, 9 table. 10. 1 table, 2 table, 5 table, 10 table. These are the factors for 1 to 10. Next, I am going to write 11. What are the factors for 11? 11 will come in what table? 11, 1 table, 11 table. 12, 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. Yes, 1 table, 12 will come, 2 table, 12 will come, 3 table it will come, 4 table, 6 table, 12 table. Next, 13, 1 table and 13 table. 14 will come in what table? 1 table, 2 table, 7 table and 14 table. 15, 1 table, 3 table, 5 table, 15 table. Next 16, 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 8 table and 16 table. 17, 1 table, 17 table. 18, 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 6 table, 6 3s are 18. 9 table, 18 table. 19, 1 table, 19 table. 20, 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 5 table, 10 table, 20 table. Yes, these are the factors for 1 to 20 numbers now. If you observe these factors, now we are learning prime numbers and composite numbers. In this, what are prime numbers? In this, what are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? Tell me. What are prime numbers? A number having prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A number having the numbers which have only 2 factors. The numbers which have exactly 2 factors. The 2 factors what will be? 1 and itself. A number having exactly 2 factors. Which number having exactly 2 factors? And that 2 factors also will be what? 1 and itself. 1 and itself. That numbers are called prime numbers. A number having exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself, that numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, now if we observe here 1 having how many factors? 1 factor. But how many factors have to be? It is a prime number? 2 factors. Okay, so 1 is not a prime number. Leave it. Next 2. 2 having how many factors? 2 factors are there for 2. But 2 factors only is there, it is a prime number not. The 2 factors also what will be? 1 and that number itself. Same number. Here if you observe 2. 2 having what factors? One number is 1. Another one is 2. The number itself only number. So 2 is a prime number. Next 3. 3 having 1 as a factor and 3 also a factor. 3 means the number itself. 1 and the number itself. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is also prime number. Next 4. 4 having how many factors? 1, 2, 3. 3 factors is there. So it is not a prime number. What is a prime number? A number having exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. What is a prime number? A number having exactly 2 factors. A number having exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself are called a number having exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself is called a prime number. Is called a prime number. Okay, now shall we write what are the prime numbers here? Example. See, I write 1 to 20 factors. Okay, so now what are the prime numbers here? 2 already a prime number. 2, 3, yes. If you observe 4 having 3 factors, so it is not a prime number. Next 5 having what factors? 2 factors. What are the 2? 1 and itself. So 5 is a prime number. Next 6 having 4 factors, so it is not a prime number. Next 7 having only 2 factors. The 2 factors also what will be? 1 is 1 and another one is itself, same 7. So it is a prime number 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 having. 8 having 4 factors, so it is not a prime number. 9 having 3 factors, so it is not a prime number. Again 10 having 4 factors, it is also not a prime number. Next 11 having how many factors? Only 2. So 11 is a prime number. 12 having 6 factors, it is not a prime number. 13 having 2 factors, that 2 also one will be 1, another will be number itself. So 13. 14 not a prime number, 15 not a prime number, 16 not a prime number. Next 17 having 2 factors. So 1 and itself, so 17. 18 not a prime number, having more factors. 19 also having 2 factors, so 19. 1 to 20 prime numbers, what are the 1 to 20 numbers? What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Is there end for these numbers? No. I write only 1 to 20 numbers. So, I find only 1 to 20 prime numbers. Okay. Are you understood what is a prime number? A number having exactly 2 factors. Exactly 2 factors. The 2 factors also what will be? 1 and itself. 1 and itself. These are called prime numbers. 1 to 20 between 1 to 20 what are the prime numbers are there? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, these are prime numbers. Next one, composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Now we write prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? A number having exactly 2 factors, it is called a prime number. Now a number having more than 2 factors. A number having more than 2 factors is called a composite number. A number having more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Is called a composite number. Now we will find what are the composite numbers given here. Okay, which number having more than 2 factors? Exactly 2 factors, it is a prime number. More than 2 factors, factors, it is a composite number. If you observe 1 is having only 1. So it is not a composite number also. Next, 4 having 3 factors. Is it a composite number? Yes. A number having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So 4, next 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. 1 to 20 between composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. Okay, these are composite numbers. These are prime numbers and these are composite numbers. Okay, we write 1 to 20 prime numbers and composite. But we didn't write 1 is in prime numbers or 1 is in composite numbers. Why? Why we didn't write? 1 is neither prime nor composite. It will not be a prime number and it will not be a composite number. It will be a prime number means it has 2 factors but it has only 1 factor. It will be a composite number means it has more than 2 factors but it has only 1 factor. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Neither prime nor composite number. Okay, now in this, what is the small number? 2. 2 is the small number. So what is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. This 2 is also one more number. It is an even number. Yes, the smallest even number also 2. So even number, prime number, both number. What is that one? Even prime. 2 is called even prime. 2 is called even prime. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest even number is 2. The only even prime. Which number? Only even number and prime number having number. What is that? 2. So the even prime is 2. The even prime is 2. Next, what is the smallest composite number? In this all, which is the smallest composite number? 4. Now if you observe, some odd numbers also will be there in this. Yes. Some odd numbers also will be there in this. Yes. In that, which number is starting odd number? 9. So 9 is called smallest odd composite number. 9 is called smallest odd composite numbers. If you observe here, all prime numbers are odd numbers. All prime numbers are odd numbers. What are odd numbers? The numbers which are not a multiple of, which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. Yes. If you observe here, which is not a multiple of 2? Which is a multiple of 2? 2 only is a multiple of 2. Remaining all will be not a multiple of 2. So except 2, remaining all these prime numbers are odd numbers. All the prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. All prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. If you observe here, all even numbers are composite numbers. No, 2. 2 is an even number, but it is not a composite number. All even numbers are composite numbers except 2. All even numbers are composite numbers except 2. Okay, the smallest prime number is 2. The smallest even number also 2. The even number and prime number is 2. The smallest composite number is 4. The smallest odd composite number is 9. Here some odd numbers and composite numbers are there. What are that? 9, 15. These two are odd numbers and composite number. In these two, what is the smallest one? 9. So the smallest odd composite number is 9. 1 is neither prime nor nor composite number. It will not be in composite numbers, it will not be in prime numbers. So 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Next one is CV of Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is a Greek mathematician. Eratosthenes is a Greek mathematician. He developed a method to find out prime numbers. By removing the numbers which are not prime. He developed one method to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100. By removing which are not prime. We are removing which are not prime and he find out which are the prime numbers. That method is called CV of Eratosthenes. First, he crossed out 1. Next, he circled 2. When he circled 2, now what are the multiples of 2? That all have to be strike off. What are the multiples of 2? 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2 2s are 4, 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13s 26, 28 and 30. These are 2 multiples. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Next, we have to circle 3. Now, what are the multiples of 3? Already this one is strike out. 3 3s are 9. Again, 11 not become 3 5s are 15. Next, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. Next, 3 11s are 33. 3 13s 39. Next, 3 15s 45. 3 19s 57. 3 21 63. 3 23 69. 3 25 75. 3 29s 87. 3 31s 93. 3 33s 90. These are the multiples of 3. Next, 5. Circle 5. Now what are the multiples of 5? 5 table which numbers will come, we have to check here. Yes, 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. Again, 5 11s are 5 13s. 5 17s, 5 19s. Only 5 table these numbers will come. Next one, circle 7. Which numbers are there? 7 table numbers. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, completed. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s 77, 7 12s 84, 7 13s 91, 7 14 98. Complete up to 100. Next. We have to circle. Next what will be there remaining? 11. Which numbers will come in 11 table? 11 2s are 22. All the 11 table numbers. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55. 11 6s are 66. 11 7s are 77. 11 8s are 88. 11 9s are 900. Next. Circle 13. 13 table numbers. 13 1s are 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. Straight off. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 65. 36 are 78. 13 7s are 91. Yes, 13 8s are 104. Next, 17. 17 table, what will come? 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51. 17 3s are 51. 17 4s are 68. 17 5s are 85. 17 6s are 102. Completed. Next one. Next we have to check 19. What numbers will come in 90 table? 91s are 90, 92s are 38, 93s are 57. Completed. 94s are 76, 95s are 95. Completed. Next one. 23 table. 23 table 1s are 23, 23 2s 46, 23 3s 69. Completed. 23 4s 92. Completed. Next 23 5s, it will come more than 100, so will not. Next one is 29. 29 table numbers are there? No. So remaining all numbers we have to circle. 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 3 table 27, 81 also we can see. Next 83, 89, 97. Okay, first we find. Now here which numbers we circle, that numbers are called prime numbers. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. Shall we write here? Prime numbers between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100. 1 and 100. 1 to 100 between prime numbers. What will be? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21, 23, 29. Here which numbers we circle? That numbers. 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total prime numbers between 1 to 100 is 25 numbers. How many numbers are there? 25 numbers. If you observe here 1 is neither prime nor composite. Remaining all the strike off numbers are composite numbers between 1 to 100. This method is called CV of Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes. Why we use this method? To find the prime numbers. To find the prime numbers. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 100 and remaining numbers will be composite numbers between 1 to 100. Total how many prime numbers between 1 to 100? 25 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100.